Welcome to the Potspoon kitchen. In today's episode, we are going to be making a very soft, very moist banana bread that is super easy to make. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe, and let's get into making our delicious banana bread. Into a bowl, you want to start off by adding 2 overripe bananas. The sweeter the bananas, the less sugar you want to add. So the sugar that I use may not apply to you if your bananas are very sweet or less sweet. It can be more or it can be less. So we're going to mash this until it's smooth or coarse. That depends on you. So we're going to add 2 eggs to this. We are also going to add 1/4 cup of oil. I am using sunflower oil. 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter, and this mix right here makes the banana bread very moist, and it keeps moist even when it's stored at room temperature. We're going to mix this until it's combined. We are adding 1 tablespoon of my favorite vanilla, 1/3 cup of whole milk, 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, and as I said before, this depends on the sweetness level of your bananas. And we're going to mix this until it's combined and nice and smooth. I love my bananas a little bit chunky to smooth, and that's the perfect consistency for me. You may like it smooth or you may like it a little bit coarse. So we're going to sift our dry ingredients. We are sifting some all-purpose flour, 1 cup and 1/4, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So we're going to sift this using a strainer to make sure the banana bread is nice and light. This also removes any lumps and clumps from the flour. So now we're going to combine this. We're going to mix it until it's nice and smooth. And we're not going to over mix this. If you want to use cake flour in your banana bread, you can also use cake flour, or you can mix it all-purpose flour and cake flour at 50-50. Once you have finished your batter, it should look just like this. And now we're going to pour this into a lined and greased baking pan. I grease my baking pan with some oil, and I just paste a piece of parchment paper in it. And now we're going to scoop out the batter. This recipe can be made without any eggs, or you can use a mixture of 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to 6 tablespoons of water. After the batter is scooped out, you want to beat this on your countertop to get out as much air as possible from the reaction from the leavening agent and the egg. I usually beat this for about 5 or 6, and I am going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 65 minutes. After 65 minutes, this is what our banana bread looks like. So nice, so moist, so delicious. And never mind the cracks. If you add a little bit less baking powder, you should be okay. So we're going to cut into this. Comment below and let me know if you like your banana bread to be chunky with bananas or smooth. Thank you for watching today's episode. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, help me to grow my YouTube channel by telling a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.